Yeah, you can do this Minecraft. Yeah, if you download Minecraft, it's going after your Minecraft. Come on, man. I'll punch you. I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch you, Minecraft. I hate Minecraft. Oh, block launcher's here. Oh yeah. It's here. Okay. No, that's okay. I'm gonna Steve now. I'll make a creeper. Just stupid streaming. Don't stream. Don't stream. It's so stupid. Stupid train following. Oh yeah, that just handle it. Just shut up. I hate this. Like creepy day up. The creepy day up. The creepy day up. The creepy day up. Come on, man. Stupid. Stupid circle. What the fudge? Eat this stupid effort. Oh yeah. Just shut up. I'm gonna play Minecraft, man. Create new. Go to survival. I don't know. It's the toolbox gonna make me creative. Yeah, it's worked. 1.1.1.5. Oh yeah, work. Oh yeah, I have toolbox. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just awesome. It was. Oh yeah. I can do anything. Yeah, I can. But mine other sword. But yeah. Yes. Is this awesome? And if you do that, oh, you can copy mods, invisible. Okay, yeah. I can make player with level level 2. But yeah, I can heal, can die, but I can teleport. Okay, we'll go teleport to no Jason. But yeah, wait, whoa. Why is that yellow? Jason, can go. We're gonna put here. I'm gonna put here. And no, Philippines. Yeah, it's correct. Holy moly, I can go now. I'm here at the crossy. I'm gonna go to purple. Philippines, and you can go here for 3, 1. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Trash kill. VPI guy noob. He's a noob in the baby. I can't kill him. Yes. Oh, there's a cat. There's a pig. I'm gonna kill this piggy. I don't know. You don't have it anymore. Really? Really, bro? Oh yeah. Game speed. I can. Holy moly! It's speedy. I'll go see. I can troll people with this. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, here. So I need mods. Okay, structure wall. Oh yeah, I can. What? on, man. Camp. No. Camp. Camp. Crystal Lake. Yeah. Jason. Yeah, Jason's here. So, but yeah. Yeah, I can go. What? Uh. Please fast. What did I done? What did I done? But oh yeah. Who do that? Who do that? I not do that. I can walk fast. It's just I'm gonna kill some people. Blah, 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 blah. Let's kill sword. Um, there's a mod. There's a mod. No, a cheat. Oh yeah. Make this thing lava. X-ray. Man mod. Yeah. Mini map. It's a bigger Camp Crystal Lake. Where's Camp Crystal Lake? Where? Oh yeah. Oh, it's so biggie. Oh, it's so biggie. Oh my god. It's biggie. Big. Bigger than a baby. Bigger than a baby. I can invisibility? Yes. Oh yeah. Invisible. What? She's earned in this level. Shut. Just shut up. I hate you. You're blind. What the fudge? Why is it blindness? Why is it blindness? Not blindness, dude. What the fudge? Weakness. Oh, I'm gonna make a survival legend. Make a survival. Okay, survival. Come on, man. Oh yeah. So very jumpy. Oh, spider. Spider. Father. Kill. Cheats. Just shut up. I'm not cheating. Oh yeah. What the? 0. Okay. Let's do this. Let me do this. Wait. Oh yeah. So very awesome. But I'll use my toolbox and block one.